If you want to permanently delete your Ajio account in 2025, there are two simple methods you can follow either directly from their website or by sending an email request. First method is from the official Ajio website. Start by visiting Ajio's official website and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, scroll down to find the settings option. Click on it and navigate to the account section. There you'll find an option to delete account. Click on it and on the next page, you'll be asked to re-enter your username and password for confirmation. After verifying, click the Continue button. Your account will be deactivated immediately, but permanent deletion may take a few days. Second method is through email. Alternatively, you can request account deletion via email. Open the email account associated with your Ajio profile and compose a message to service@ajio.com. Use the subject line, "Request to delete my Ajio account." In the body of the email, clearly request the deletion of your Ajio account and mention a valid reason for the request. Once done, hit the Send button. Ajio's support team will process your request and remove your account after verification.